Welcome back to our channel all about PhD by Dr. Ritika Gauba. In today's video, we'll dive into one of the most prestigious PhD programs of the world, Oxford University's DPhil program. Or shall I say, Oxford University's PhD program. We'll cover everything you need to know, from exactly what is a DPhil to how you can apply. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of what exactly it takes to pursue a doctorate of philosophy from this iconic institution. We'll be discussing in today's video what makes DPhil unique at Oxford, the eligibility requirements for the students and specifically for the Indian students, the structure and the duration of the program, the residential requirements, and also the scholarships and fellowship. So let's get started. Section 1, about Oxford University. First, let's talk about the university itself. Oxford University is perhaps the oldest in the English-speaking world, with the records going back to as far as 1096. It's the alma mater of some of the world's most influential figures, 28 British prime ministers, at least 30 international leaders, 55 global prize winners, and 120 Olympic medalists. In fact, most recently, 7 of its academicians were recognized by the Queen for their work in combating the COVID-19 pandemic. So now let's focus on how you can join this incredible institution through its DPhil program. Moving on to our next section, where we are going to discuss what is DPhil at Oxford. So at Oxford, the PhD is referred to as DPhil, which stands for Doctorate of Philosophy. While it's essentially the same as a PhD, Oxford uses the term DPhil for its historical reasons. The program is highly regarded and offers a pathway to academic research and career opportunities across the globe. Moving on to our next section, the courses offered. Oxford offers DPhil program in more than 120 different areas, covering a wide range of disciplines and subdisciplines. Today we are going to focus on the full-time PhD program offered by these institutions, whereas this institution also offers a part-time PhD program, but we will cover the part-time PhD option in a separate video. Section 4, the program duration. So the full-time DPhil program typically lasts between 3 to 4 years. Section 5, the residential requirement. If you are planning to pursue a full-time DPhil at Oxford, you must meet the university's residence requirement. That means you need to live within a certain distance from the university and for a specific time period as well. This is to ensure that you are present to fully engage with the academic and the social life of the university. Moving on to section 6, the eligibility criteria for Oxford's DPhil program. So let's first talk about the general eligibility criteria. Both graduates and postgraduates can apply for the DPhil program at Oxford, but the university typically prefers candidates with master's degree. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for the Indian students. Wherever it is mentioned, a strong upper second class degree is required. Applicants from institution of national importance in India need 60% in a 4-year bachelor's degree or 65% in a 3-year bachelor's degree, while all other students need 70% marks. For the first class undergraduate degree, you will require from an institution national importance, you need at least 65% in a 4-year graduation program and a 70% marks in 3-year program, while all others require 75% marks. When it comes to a master's degree program, the benchmarks are 55% for pass, 60% for merit and 70% for distinction. Please refer to the table for a better understanding. Moving on to our next section, the additional test requirements. Now let's talk about the test scores. Most departments at Oxford will require a GMAT or a GRE score, but this varies by subject. For example, if you're applying in the DPhil subject of English, You do not require any standardized test score. So additionally, if you haven't received your previous degree from an English speaking class, then you will also require, in addition to GRE and GMAT, a TOEFL or an IELTS score. Moving on to our next section, the application dates. The application period for Oxford's DPhil program typically opens in September and closes by mid-December each year. So be sure to keep an eye on these dates. Moving on to our last section, the scholarships and the fellowships. Oxford offers multiple fellowships and scholarships for its DPhil students, helping ease the financial burden of studying at such a prestigious institution. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about this prestigious program is discussed in this video, from the rich history to the academic, the prestige to this rigorous eligibility criteria and available scholarships. Oxford offers a world-class environment for doctoral research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content on PhD programs and academic advice. If PhD is your dream, we are here to make it a reality. Join our personalized one-to-one mentoring sessions, from topic identification, SOP, research proposals to selecting the best university for you. We support you at every step until you reach your PhD dream. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.